In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog site in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for all of the tools and features available in your account. From that left side menu, click on Sites. This section is where Gohighlevel keeps your website-related assets, including funnels, websites, and blogs. After opening Sites, move your attention to the top menu area. There, you'll see a Blogs option. Click on Blogs to open the Blog Management section. Once you're in the Blogs area, look for the Create Blog button and click it. This will open the setup screen where you'll enter the basic information for your new blog site. The first thing you'll need to add is your blog site title. Choose a clear and relevant title that matches your brand, business, or the main topic of your content. This title is important because it helps identify your blog and can also affect how it appears to visitors. Next, add your domain and slug. The domain is the web address where your blog will live, and the slug is the part of the URL that helps define the specific path for the blog. Make sure these are accurate and easy to read. Keeping your URL simple and descriptive can help make your blog look more professional and easier to remember. After that, enter your blog meta description. This is a short summary of what your blog is about. It's useful for search engines and can also help people understand your content before they even click through. Try to keep it concise, natural, and closely related to the kind of posts you plan to publish. Once you've filled in the blog site title, domain, slug, and meta description, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double check for spelling errors, formatting issues, or anything that might need to be adjusted before you finalize the setup. A quick review now can save you time later. When everything looks good, click Create. That's it. Your blog site will be created inside Gohighlevel. At this point, you'll be ready to move forward with customizing your blog and preparing it for content. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have the foundation of your blog site set up quickly and correctly inside the platform.